Aloha, this is Trinidad, the Island Man, your Island Man, coming to you live once again from beautiful Hawaii here on the island of Oahu, bringing you, yes you, the best unboxing videos on the entire island of Oahu. And yes, as you can see, this is my apartment, and I am here in Hawaii doing an unboxing video. This box, in fact, something I've ordered off of Amazon Prime. Now, I've shown you these pictures of this chair. I bought this chair along with the set of furniture, a black leathered, this chair, love seat, and full couch. The full couch is no longer with us, thrown away many years ago. The love seat is in decent condition, but this chair is starting to go as far as the outside upholstery, especially on the arms and some of the cracking on the back, as you have seen from the pictures. $999 back in 2001 for 3 sets of furniture, leather, held up fairly well over the years. But it's just finally getting too old. And I saw this fabric chair cover on Amazon as one of the lightning deals. So I paid $25 for this. Normally it said like $35. And I'm looking forward to seeing how it fits on this chair. And if I like it, I'll get one for the love seat as well, just to fully match. Eventually I want to, of course I'll get rid of these. You might be saying, it's like, well, after 2001, 19 years, maybe you should. And it's like, yeah, maybe I should, but I'm thinking about having the floors, the carpet taken up and done hardwood floors in the living room. And, thus I don't want to buy new furniture just to move it out when that time comes, when I'm ready to have the floors done. So I figure when that happens, I'll just throw these out, get the floors done, then buy the new furniture. That's the plan. So there you go. So I want to see how this goes. Now, it's mainly worn out on this side, as you saw from the pictures. I have a footrest, as you can tell, and I watch TV. Usually I lean back and I put this leg up. I have a little bit of sciatica, I think. And the footrest just sometimes doesn't cut it. Sometimes putting my leg up on this armrest helps out a great deal, which is why it's all worn off right here. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get into the unboxing here. We'll open up this box and see what we're dealing with. Okay, well, that was it for the box. And here we have the GRANDBEST chair. This is for the chair. As you see, they do the love seat, the sofa, and the full extra big sofa. And it comes in a variety of colors. Since this is black leather, I just went with the black fabric. I was thinking maybe a change. I was thinking red, but I'll just see how the black goes. And keep it simple for now. Alright, so we'll open this up, see what we're dealing with here. Okay, kind of like this. I always like to save this, put extra clothes or whatever, documents or something in these prefabric bags. I don't know, the plastic bags, but I know this material will go fast on the sides and just disintegrate in the heat and humidity of Hawaii. So I may just end up throwing this out. Okay, so let's see what we're dealing with here. Oh, maybe there's some instructions in there. But it seemed pretty simple from the website. So we shall see. Okay, so it's a back. So there must be a side that says front. Okay, for a fabric piece, I don't know why it has this styrofoam. Oh, wait, maybe there are some instructions here. Sofa cover. Okay, dear customers, thanks for purchasing this. Pleasure. Here are some useful tips. When you put the sofa cover on, please find 2 back tags over them, and then locate them. Other products. Okay, locate them at the left and right back corners of your sofa. The sofa cover is machined are hand washable, tumble dry, do not bleach, which makes sense since it is cover. Okay, they have a cover for even ottomans and loves, footstools as well. Okay, well, we'll see what we're dealing with here. Lots of cardboard here. Now, I'm not sure if I need these. On the website it looked like there was some kind of, if I stuff these in there on the corners to hold them in. I'm not sure about that. We'll see. It doesn't say anything in these basic instructions here. Maybe just a paragraph. So we'll go ahead and check this out. I'll go ahead and try to put this on. We'll see how it looks, how it fits. This looked similar to a chair that they showed on the Amazon example. And so we'll see how well it fits. Okay, let's see here. Okay, 2 tabs on the back, or so it says the back. Okay, back. And there's 1 tab. I thought I saw 2 tabs back here. Okay. Oh, okay. Here's the 2nd tab. Back and back. Okay, so this is the back of the chair, so I'm at the back of the chair. Put this over here as such. And let's see here. Try to put the front of the chair here. Just so I can pull this down. It looks like it's fairly simple. And of course, the black's going to show up all the dust and whatever. Okay, I'm just going to pull it down all the way past the legs and the back. Maybe try to straighten it up a little bit on the corners. I'll try to straighten it up on the corners. We'll see. And I'll try to tuck this in a little bit here. Bring that down fully. Tuck that in. Now let me try to bring this in fully on the front here too. Trying to line this up properly. Okay, well, I'm not sure if that's 100% correct there. Maybe I've got it pulled. Somehow I don't think this is right. Maybe I've got it pulled up too tight on the bottom. Maybe not fully under the legs. Okay. I'm going to tuck this in certain places. See how that works. It's starting to take some shape. So, honestly, I could have probably used a sheet. Now, if my mother was still here, she would have just used a sheet or a blanket. She wouldn't have got something like this. And honestly, I don't know. I'll keep playing with it, but essentially this is pretty close to how it's supposed to be, I think. It just probably take a little bit more refining, smooth out these wrinkles to make sure the bit is a little bit more proper. Maybe. you know, tucking in all the way on the sides and everything. But overall, it's, you know, it's okay, I'll say, just for right now. Definitely not the greatest, but, you know, does it look like a normal fabric chair? Almost. Almost. And thus I'd say not bad. Not bad at all. You know, again, depending on the chair, your mileage might vary. I guess I'm fairly happy with this. I mean, you know, for just myself, a blanket, a sheet might have worked. But if I have company, this might actually look a little bit more presentable. Okay, well, here you have it. Again, it's not, I haven't tucked it in all the way. I'll probably have to mess with it a little bit, especially after I get up and sit down a couple more times. It'll probably come loose and I'll have to tuck it in again. But for the most part, initially, just for this unboxing and viewing, it's all right. Plus, it does cover up the spots very well. I'll try to play with these tuckings ins on the side to get rid of this extra loose fabric. This side, the right side, seems to be fitting much better than the left side, so I'll just tug and pull on this side a little bit more and try to tuck it in. But overall, I'm fairly satisfied. It feels comfortable. Feels nice. So I'll, you know, I think it was worth it for the lowered price. I probably would have been more unhappy with the $35 vice the $25 for the lightning deal. And, you know, if the love seat, you know, gets as bad as the chair before I do the floors and get new furniture, I'll definitely think about getting one for that one, especially to match. And again, you know, if you're looking just for a change every once in a while to your furniture decor, you know, change in color would also be nice. Again, I was thinking like a red, but I didn't like the red because I have like a little red throw carpet. I know I have a carpet and I have a throw rug that's red to kind of bring out, you know, certain aspects. So I was thinking maybe red. Maybe in the future I'll get red too, if this goes, you know, if I don't get the floors done anytime soon. All right, thank you so much. So overall, I'd say shock a thumbs up for the GRANDBEST sofa and chair covers, furniture covers, I guess, on Amazon. But definitely wait for the deals when and if you can. All right, thank you so much, and aloha.